A sweeping drone shot captures Istanbul's skyline, revealing the Hagia Sophia as a bridge through time. The Hagia Sophia rises majestically, its domes and minarets etched against the sky, a testament to human ingenuity. Architectural marvel at the crossroads of civilizations. A digital cityscape emerges, showcasing the construction of the Cathedral of Constantinople in 537 CE. The skyline is dominated by the rising cathedral, symbolizing ambition. Text appears, marking the era. Cathedral of Constantinople, 537 CE. Inside the Hagia Sophia, a Byzantine religious ceremony unfolds. The mosaics shimmering under the golden light. The cathedral's vast interior echoes with chants, the air thick with incense and reverence. Byzantine Splendora text overlay captures the essence of the era's grandeur. The hallowed halls of Hagia Sophia echo with history, showcasing the intricate details of Byzantine art. A testament to Byzantine art. Animation unfolds, depicting the Ottoman conquest of Constantinople in 1453. The cathedral transforms into a mosque as on-screen text appears. From cathedral to mosque, 1453. The mihrab stands prominently, guiding hearts toward Mecca. The Mimar, adorned with carvings, stands nearby, a testament to centuries of devotion. Ottoman calligraphy adorns the walls, echoing the building's Islamic heritage. Inside the Hagia Sophia, Christian mosaics and Islamic calligraphy intertwine, a testament to a rich, shared history. A synthesis of faiths. Animation shows Mustafa Kemal Ataturk overseeing the transformation of Hagia Sophia into a museum in 1935. The animated text appears boldly. Hagia Sophia Museum, 1935. The Hagia Sophia stands in silent grandeur, its mosaics gleaming under the soft light of preservation. Each artifact whispers tales of emperors and artisans as the echoes, preserving history. Sunlight floods through the ancient windows of Hagia Sophia, revealing Viking runes etched by mercenaries. Echoes of the past shimmer in the light. Animation shows the historic transformation of Hagia Sophia back into a mosque in 2020. On-screen text boldly declares, "Reconversion to Mosque, 2020. Inside the Hagia Sophia, worshippers gather for prayer. A title appears, "A Place of Worship." The faithful engage in prayer. Tourists stroll through the upper gallery, their voices whispering through history. Protective screens stand as silent guardians, sheltering ancient mosaics from the touch of time. On screen, words materialize. Cultural heritage. The Hagia Sophia stands majestically. With the blue mosque in the distance, on-screen text appears. Istanbul's iconic landmarks. The dome of Hagia Sophia soars, a testament to architectural innovation. On-screen text proclaims architectural innovation. The Desis mosaic, a 13th century masterpiece, fills the screen. Text appears on the screen. Artistic masterpieces. Night descends on Istanbul, with the Hagia Sophia illuminated, piercing the darkness. The text appears declaring, "A beacon of faith and history." Marble walls and green columns fill the Hagia Sophia. Sourced from Thessaly and Tunisia appears. The upper gallery of the Hagia Sophia unfolds, revealing the path to the Desis mosaic. Words appear. Home to the Desis mosaic. The drone ascends, capturing the vast expanse of the Golden Horn under the radiant sun, dominating the skyline. Hagia Sophia stands tall, its magnificent dome reflecting centuries of history and splendor. Adjacent to it, Topkapi Palace whispers tales of sultans and empires. As dusk descends, the Bosporus reveals its iconic silhouette against the backdrop of the city's minarets. On-screen text declares, "Iconic silhouette." Inside the Hagia Sophia, carpets adorn the floor, symbols of enduring devotion and constant renewal. The towering arches echo with the silent claim, "A place of continuous worship." Inside the Hagia Sophia, chandeliers hang with ostrich eggs, casting light. On-screen text appears, illuminating history. Istanbul sprawls beneath the drone's gaze, the Hagia Sophia, a majestic crown upon the city. The words appear, urging viewers to join a journey through Islamic heritage.